What? Hey, pizza? Pizza? No pizza. Okay, we're doing this now. Alright, I'm waking up. Alright, I'm coming out. I gotta get out here and then is there pizza in here? No. So yeah, I know I'm a good boy. Okay, you're gonna give me a pizza after this, right? So what I'm supposed to say is that please go to the homepage of LL Pros, and if you'd like to help out the channel in any way, please donate. I do not ever mention the donate button, but I think I need to do it from now on to get me more pizza. I mean, help him out. I don't like it when you touch me. So, go to the homepage, click at the top right hand corner, donate. It really helps the channel out, and I would be much appreciative. What? I'm saying exactly what you wanted me to say. Don't give me that look. Because I'm one of the most important. I don't like it when you touch me. Go there, donate. I ate a bug. I think I ate a bug. I'm going back to bed. I did what you asked me to do, and now I'm going back to sleep. Knock on the door when the pizza gets here.
What's up, tubers? I want to show off my sexiest rifle that I own, in my opinion. This is my Mini 14 Tactical 584 series, or 580 series, but this is my serial number 584. You might think it looks a little different than the last video I posted of it. Well, that's because it does. I was at a local gun show and walked up to one of the booths, and they had this old style wooden stock for sale. It's used, but I did not care because this is exactly the stock I have been wanting ever since I bought the gun. It came with a wooden stock, but it was that speckled hardwood, and it didn't have that classic M14 feel. But this one has every bit of the classic M14 feel. I mean, look how sexy it looks. Isn't it just super sexy? Even Coco thinks it's sexy, right, Coco? That's right. I'm not 100% sure if this stock belonged to the older Mini 14s before they thickened the barrel. Maybe you can tell me by just looking at it, because it's got kind of that glossy look to it, and I love it so much. Let me see if I can show the Ruger emblem on the bottom right there. But this is the stock that I wanted. I mean, it's got a awesome look to it. It's got a couple dings and stuff here and there, but I could care less because that just gives it character. And like I said, this is the one that I wanted from the beginning. Yeah. So this has a wonderful look to it. And then because I put it in the new stock right here, I had to put my leather sling back on it. And boy, I'm in love with it. I had my red dot on here, but I took it off for the sake of the looks today. Move your butt. Thank you. Yeah, I took it off for the sake of looks today, so it kind of show off that old school look to it. Man, this is the coolest looking gun ever. I mean, I know I might be alone, but I love this rifle more than the AR, more than almost all the other ones. It's a tie between this one and the lever guns that I have, but they are definitely some of my favorite looking guns. So even though it's just a cosmetic difference, I really want to go out to the range and shoot very soon. So please, in the comments, please tell me if y'all think this is from the older Mini 14s or it's from the newer ones, because I don't know, I feel like it's from the older style. When I went to seat it, when I took the receiver and all the barrel out and everything, it was a snug fit, but it did fit inside of this one. It actually fit better inside this one than it did in the original stock. It just felt a lot, it was just a much tighter lockup on everything. So I have a buttstock pouch.
Thousands of tears later.
I have a buttstock pouch that I ordered from Spectre Gear, the guys I like so much, and it's gonna go right here. But for the sake of the video, I just wanted to take it off and show y'all what it looks like without it and everything. Yeah. Man, if that's not the coolest looking gun, I don't know what is. So, y'all look forward to taking it out to the range and shooting it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.